What? My truck dirty?
I can't believe you want me to ride around in a car with bird shit all over the windows.
Where?
Where's ass?
Right there?
Yeah.
I thought that was dirt.
No, it ain't dirt. That's bird shit.
Oh.
Oh, me, what I gotta do?
Well, that must be at the bottom of my to-do list. After I mowed those acres, after I mowed all that acreage across the street, my back hurts.
Well, you don't do nothing.
My wrist is hurting too.
For what?
I think I injured my wrist when I was moving back and forth on that zero turn.
No. If you used a walking lawnmower, you'd shit.
I've done that before.
I know it, but you use mine, you wear it out.
That's my zero turn, by the way. Here. Safety first, here. You know the drill. I can't have you in my truck.
Shit.
Ah, look at that.
What?
Hands are bleeding.
Boy, I'm telling you.
You ain't never seen nothing like that, have you?
Shit, I still don't see nothing.
You need to get them eyes checked in.
Yeah.
Let me take a nice cold swig of this Coca-Cola.
Take one of my swigs of my Dr. Peppers.
That's a Coca-Cola, buddy.
Well, what's the difference?
The difference is I pay for both.
Yeah.
Oh. That was a beating.
What?
All that mowing. I thought Dad, when he pulled over up at my house, I thought he was going to stop and help.
You got to be kidding.
I thought there would have been some men in my family that wanted to help, but I'm the only one.
What'd you leave laying on top of your car back there?
It's a hat and my mowing mask. Did you start your watch?
For what?
Here, I'll start mine.
I got 25 till 5.
Okay, that means I'll get you home 25 till 5.
I thought maybe you'd change 6. That's still for sale there.
Yep. We got 20 minutes to ride around.
Got more than that.
I gotta get home and watch Live PD.
Piss on live TV.
Live PD.
Live what?
Live PD.
What is that?
Where you watch the police officers go and arrest people and all that kind of stuff.
I don't know about you, boy.
I almost forgot how to drive this truck.
You may drive?
No. No. Definitely
Why?
not. Definitely not. I've been driving that Monte Carlo for too many days.
Why didn't you drive the Monte Carlo?
Because I need to drive this thing a little bit.
Oh, man. They need to mow this.
Yeah, they do. I was talking, you see me talking to Gary Allen back there in the very back?
Huh?
I was talking, he goes, why didn't Joe help mow?
Gary say that?
He said, he goes, as long as I've been living here, I've never seen Joe mow that yard.
Gary Allen?
Yeah, and he said he was used to seeing Billy mow it.
Shit. He ain't never seen Billy get out there and mow it. Now, I mowed it.
That's not what he said.
All the time.
That's not what he said. Look at all that trash.
Damn.
At least they cut all that stuff back.
Yet to show the trash. You cheered me?
I cheer you. I had to work on that lawnmower wheel. I was going around in circles. You know, it's a zero turn. You can just stop on a dime and turn. And my front wheel popped off.
Popped off?
My guide wheel on the stamp deck.
Yeah.
Luckily, though, I had some tools on me.
You sure they wasn't mine?
I had some tools of mine. Well, I'm just saying they could be yours.
You know they were. Look at this. You got lost Mow there, shit.
Yep, he should have weed eated before he mowed.
He sure
now he's
should've.
gonna have to go back and weed eat before he mows
Yep.
or after he mows. Now I was using that socket wrench. I had a crescent wrench and I had a socket wrench, and I was holding on one side and socketing the other. I'll have to show you how that works. Dad showed me a long time ago.
Yeah, you need to show me
how that worked.
I know how it works. I sure do. Damn. You see that good-looking chick?
I sure did.
She good-looking.
I sure did. Maybe your eyes don't need to be checked after all.
I ain't never said they need checking, period. Oh.
I will sleep extra great tonight.
Why?
Sore.
Sore? From what?
You know from what? You
No,
sat
I
there.
don't.
You
From
sat,
what?
You sat there and watched the entire time,
On what?
and then you're laughing.
From what?
You laughing when I was moving them limbs.
What limbs?
The limbs that you saw me moving. You and Connor both were sitting there laughing.
Well, Connor may be, but not me, because I didn't see you moving nothing.
You ain't got a lot of
Oh,
people. You ain't got a lot of
I ain't
people.
lying
Pop,
to
I'm
you.
making a video. You ain't got a lot of people.
I ain't lying to you.
You gonna make
But you
people.
don't do too much work as it is.
You gonna make people believe I wasn't doing nothing.
You will. They'll believe it. That's all.
Did Dad get him a bowl?
Bowl, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I'm sure he did. Bowl or two.
I spoke to him earlier. He said he wasn't that hungry.
Shit. You believe that?
He said it.
I didn't ask you that.
They, I guess Connor won't be going back to school this year.
Why?
The governor requested all schools be shut down till May 4th, and then they'll probably extend it. So Connor will miss the rest of the school year.
Well, that ain't worth a shit.
Yep, that means he'll be going to second grade.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
I guess Mary will have to teach him.
He's got all those assignments that he's got to do before the end of the year.
Oh, Sonic.
You want a corn dog from Sonic?
No. Do you?
No.
Those Skinner's been there a long time, you know it?
They have been there a long time. I tell you, they got good steaks. They got good sausage. And they got good chicken.
There ain't no such thing as good chicken. I done told you that. Hey,
What?
you gonna get that bird shit off the side of the car
Am I going to get it off the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to get it off the car.
now? Today?
I don't know how many quarters it's going to take to get that bird shit off the side. You only get a minute per quarter. That's at
Well, it's
least
gonna take more than a quarter.
that's at least a 75-cent job.
Hey, baby.
I got one quarter in my glove. If you got a quarter in your pocket, you probably got it out of my glove box.
I got a quarter. Here,
How many other quarters you got?
that's all I got.
How much? Let me see what else. That was the money that was in my cup holder.
You a cup holder lie.
Well, hey,
What?
we'll consider this.
We'll consider it a loan.
A loan. You know what? Hey, let's not start.
You didn't know how to get that out, did you?
Let's not start talking about who owes who.
Yeah. You owe me. Where's my feeder?
Tamale?
Yeah.
They're not here on Sundays.
Oh, they're not here today. Damn, that's a big old woman. Little old dog dragging her. He probably won't hurry up and get home. Get her off. Away from him. Get you.
See how they cleared all that down there?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
There's no telling what they found down in there. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
That's right. No telling what will go back down in there.
Home sweet home.
Oh.
Back just in time for you to watch your show. Just in time for you to watch your shows.
I don't watch no shows. I'm gonna get and pick up and go riding around a while.
Yeah, right.
You hide and watch.
I'll take you riding somewhere tomorrow. Maybe.
Oh, me. Ah.
Your back must be hurting from swinging that swing all day.
No, it ain't that. It's the old cheap ass seats in this car.
You lie?
Huh?
I said you ain't gotta lie.
I ain't lied.
Watch where you put your fingerprints. I'll let you know if I gotta go anywhere tomorrow.
You always do after you done run off.